Please do not substitute the painted mask with CDC or other places, sorry, Canadian here, certified medical masks. These should only be used for display, decorative, and fun purposes.
Hey, all my YouTubers, welcome back, and I'm still in pandemic. Hold on 1 minute.
That's better. Hey, all my YouTubies, welcome back, and we're still in a pandemic. If you're watching this from the future where technology and medical advancements have eradicated all these stupid viruses off the face of the earth, welcome back to a pleasant time where so many people have lost their jobs, their minds, themselves, staying at home with little to no social contact. I assure you, 2020 was a great year. Anyways, we'll probably never go back to normal. Maybe that's a blessing in disguise. I remember seeing this photo of a quote that was graffitied on a wall in Hong Kong. It read, "We can't go back to normal because normal was the problem." Do you agree or disagree with that statement? Please leave a comment in the comment section below and share our ideas together. No, enough moping around. And let's get back to some color, shall we? Today, we're going to paint our own masks. Add a little character to this blank canvas. Let's go! Today I'm going to show you a simple sunflower pattern. The materials you will need for this particular piece are acrylic paints. Non-toxic are the best. Or if you can get fabric paint. That could be a safer option. Of course, a disposable mask, and some paintbrushes. I'll be using these thinner brushes because the sunflowers will be small and detailed. Paint palette, and your cup of water. Cheers! Clink, and your imagination. Well, I'm going to use a reference photo because I've forgotten what a sunflower looks like. So we're going to use this photo. Johnny selected seeds, and it's a pretty standard sunflower. So the sunflower doesn't have a lot of colors to it, but what we're going to do is we're going to add different shades of yellow. So I'm going to add a little bit of darker yellow and then lighter yellow. Also add a little bit of orange to blend it in. And for the center of the sunflower, there's some dark browns and there's some light browns. We're going to add some blacks to darken and whites for highlights. So before we start, we're gonna stretch out the mask. This way we can work inwards to outwards so the middle can dry faster. So we're gonna start off with some yellow. This will be for the petals. The flower petals are sort of diamond shaped. So we're gonna do a little diamond shape here. And then here. And just continue all the way around the center of the sunflower. Now let's mix a little bit of orange with the yellows. Gonna stretch out and blend in the orange just to add a little depth into this sunflower. And now we can add the center of the flower with the dark and light browns. Another way to make the piece more interesting is to play around with the different sizes. Add the blacks into the center. We're gonna let it dry for a little bit and then continue on outwards. can also make it more interesting by putting the sunflowers on the corner of this mask to create some variety. Make sure to get into the crevices of the mask. Think of it as like a canvas. We always paint on the sides just to make it feel fuller. We are almost done! So I'm just gonna add some finishing touches, some white in the center of the sunflower to make it pop. And there you have it, our painted mask with lots of sunflowers all over the place. Remember to decorate it however you want. Be creative with it always. Turn the mundane and gloomy vibes into a colorful, happy space. Remember, these are not certified medical masks, so please do not replace your medical mask with these painted masks. Just have some fun creating these. Hang them on the wall, scare your family members, wear for a short period of time. That's all I have for you folks. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it. As always, like, share, ring that bell. I'll be excited to announce a new incentive for this channel in the next year, so stay tuned. Stay safe, stay colorful, stay creative. Ciao!